Hello guys, welcome to a new video. We're back in the powder toy. So today we're only gonna test out the amoebas. So forget all these other cells. We're gonna get only these liquid state amoebas from maybe other creators and me, like a cool cell, which I made personally. But this, and this were not made by me. Those were made by someone else. I just took the design a little bit and kind of made my own, but it has a virus. I also made this giant mitochondria, but we're not using that because it's so big. Oh shoot, wait, let me get out of here. Okay, go back to me. Right there. I also made the hot cell. I know it looks like I did it, but I really didn't make this. It's a cool custom cell I made. So yeah. It's just neat to survive, so yeah. And the gravity, it's a GRVT. So yes. We're gonna continue with experimentation. Oh god, I forgot these amoebas need the gravity to even stay in there. Well, amoebas the gravity. Oh, now the heat cell needs a lot of gravity to survive. And that other comment on the latest video has given me a little bit of hope. So thanks for commenting. Shout out that guy. Okay, never mind. Alright, get back with the video. So you can see these things need gravity to survive, literally, because if they don't, you know that. As you can see, you can tell it's living because this weird stuff is turning like orange. It's a mixture of exotic matter, which is like I'll just tell you it. Like here you go, exotic matter, exposure, excess exposure to electrons has many odd reactions. Oh, get out of here. All right. Anyways, so it just popped the other cell as I can see. This other amoeba just got shredded. Um, simulation. Now I want to do something a little different, guys. So, I told you about humans in those other videos? Well, this is the big human. Body V5. It's a literal human. And we're going to take him and we're going to pop him out of this chamber. As we're going to use him for more experimentation. And I'll call those the human experiments. Oop. Oh, dang it. I need to stamp him. There we go. We have the human. Let's just erase those other failures. Because you don't want a bunch of random other. Oh god, I copied half of his body. Now, it's a realistic functioning human. Again, I did not make it. I made the parasite and those other cells, but not really all of them, okay? Remember, I made a lot of them. They're gonna call that specifically. This one, pink giant organism. I mean, not purple giant organism. Purple, bro. Purple, purple giant, giant, purple giant. Oh yeah, giant, purple giant. Oh, not eagle. No. Purple giant, purple giant. Okay, it's just a twin. Now, as I said, I was experimenting with Timmy and Timmy V2. I don't know if y'all heard that, but I was gonna experiment with these two. So yeah, so they can grab each other. So very different. One of them kind of sheds a lot, and the other one sheds a little. Very interesting. We're gonna let each of them kind of settle out, and now we're gonna close it. We're gonna close a wall there. So let's see how both of them react with a little bit of each other's particles in each contaminant chamber. Alright. I just want to see how long it takes for them to all die. Now, I wish I could find out how to make things faster, but I don't know. And I don't want to try editing yet because, I want to get used to it soon. And I hope we can start editing soon. So, yeah. Also, it's a one-man person making this channel, by the way, so it's only me. Remember that. I'm the only one actually keeping up with managing everything, so yeah. I've been posting a little, not that much frequently because of other stuff and more things I have to do. So you might see that I'm not posting as much. That's kind of why I have a lot of more stuff to do in school. And soon I'll have to go into school, so yeah. Oh shoot, dang it. Sorry, my TV started playing a little bit. Alright, anyways, yeah, we're not waiting for Oakland to die. So yeah, after that, we're gonna shove a cool cell in the main amoeba. This guy was what started everything. Once I started getting into amoebas, I saw how these cells can merge together. Now these amoebas have a virus and it kills them, literally. It's called uranium. So if I take one cell of uranium, well, approximately like I go really small. We're talking. We're in blob mode. Blob mode. Approximately like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pixels. That's the main virus. That's how much virus in the original save this had. Now I'm paused, right? It's all fine and that'll be fine. But I shoved this thing up in here and it starts freaking out. Literally. From the inside out. This thing will pop open and it like turns into more exotic matter and it just hates it in reality. Alright. But we're gonna test on the human now. And we're gonna start the human experiment. But let me name the save human. And the parasite experiment will be over. I know. But if you still want more human experiment, I mean not human experiment, you still want more amoeba and virus and all that type of stuff, tell me in the comments. I would be appreciated and excited to do more of those amoeba videos. If you want me to continue like the other comment, I will. Yeah. So let's see if I can do it. Human. What? Wait. Oh yeah. Human V5. There we go. There we go. Human V5. Let's get another guy. Hello, my name is Markiplier, and today we're just gonna do this to them. Oh god, that looks horrifying. What have I done? As you can see, the brain is exposed and it can see mechanics now. Weird mechanics, I know. If I'm correct, you could just erase all of these and replace them with some type of form of metal, as it only needs a rod mostly to live in the brain. All these other particles are just for detecting. If I were to theoretically just remove those particles, should be fine. The blue particles and the small blue particles like that. What even is this? Wait, Wi-Fi? Yeah, I don't need that. That's just the alarm. Like you see this battery? When I wait, that's not no battery. Wait, what? What is this? Yeah, no. Wait, I'm using Spark right now, I think. Oh, that controls like breathing. No, I'm not using Spark. Where's this control? How do I make the breathing in response to make it like breathe and exhale or something? Weird. The hearts are like broken since there's two humans inside of each other, and then their leg. Oh, I think he's dead officially. I mean, the heart is not even working since they're both kind of fused. The necks are not working. We need to make room for blood. Look, we're gonna make our own little tunnel. Here, go down the other guy's esophagus. So you drank blood. That used to be the stomach. We're gonna make it go to the other guy's system. Oh, that's the heart. It's kind of draining. You open this up, so then that drips. Then that goes in here, but it's this little room right here. See my little white dot? What is this? We're gonna make it go in there and then drip, drip in this little spot. Alright, well, it's working. This looks so cursed, bro. Nah, we're just gonna empty his organs out. Oh, I'm emptying his poor man's organs. You gotta call it the blood statue. Blood endlessly pours. I used to have another account, but I lost it. I have a bunch of blood and just from this human and stuff. So I let it drip out and I cook it. That's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna first get a bunch of blood from the human. I'm joking, we're not doing it. That's just a slow way. Do you really want to get the blood from the human? Go here and get all the blood from this thing. Boom. Boom. And you just remove the blood infusion. Oh, there's really not really any infusion if you want to get into that topic. But yeah. The only way to really get blood infusion is like by basically freaking. Oh shoot. We'll have to continue this in the next video, but yeah. So we're experimenting with the human, but I will also still kind of continue the amoebas and stuff, like one of my viewers had stated. So yeah, I hope to get more comment and more stuff by other people. Not just one little simple comment. That took very long to get one comment, guys. You're gonna make a YouTube channel? Just kind of make content like me. I wouldn't recommend just stealing all content from me, but just, you know, make it kind of similar like mine. I'll post too frequently. A little bit of tips for you guys out there. We'll take the blood and that. This video is over. I hope you loved it. I also loved it too. Goodbye, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.